Okay viewers, today's question is on number basis. Okay, and this question we want to figure out the value of n in this question. We want to figure out the value of n. If you're new to this channel, we thank you for coming, and for our subscribers, we love you and there's nothing you can do about it. So with that being said, let us dive over to the question right now and right now. Okay viewers, the first thing I want to tell my students is convert these guys to base 10, because that is the only base we humans understand, and with that we can go ahead and find the value of n. So converting this guy to base 10, here will be 0, 1 and 2. So I have 1 times n to this second power. So I have 1 times n to the second power plus 3 times n to the first power plus 4 times n to the 0 power. So I have converted this left hand side to base 10. Okay, so I have 1, 3, 4. That is what it is. Then equal to, I'm going to convert this guy to base 10. So I have 5 times 8. Okay, so 0 and 1. So 5 times 8 to the first power plus 4 times 8. This guy times 8 to the 0 power. Now, these all are in base 10, so we'll go ahead and simplify and find our value of n. So that means n to the power 2 is n squared. N squared times 1 will give me n squared. Then n to the power 1 is n times 3 will give me 3n. N to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 4 will give me 4. Then equal to 8 to the power 1 is 8. And 8 times 5 will give me 40 plus 8 to the power 0 is 1. N to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Of course, we have 44 here, so I have 44 here in the right hand side. So I have n squared plus 3n plus 4. This is a quadratic equation, and we are going to solve this problem quadratically. Yes. So let me take in this guy to the other side of the equation. So I have n squared plus 3n plus 4 minus 44 equal to 0. Okay, so 4 minus 44 will give me n squared plus 3n minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, now I want to take this equation to the other side. So I have n squared plus 3n minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay viewers, we're looking for two numbers such that when I multiply the two numbers, I'll get minus 40, and if I add the same two numbers, I'll get 3. Now the two numbers are 8 and minus 5. So 8 times minus 5 will give me minus 40, and 8 plus minus 5 will give me 3. So these are the two numbers I'm looking for. So I have n here, and I have n here equal to 0. So the two numbers I'm looking for is positive 8 and negative 5. So I have positive 8 here and negative 5 here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to equate each of these guys to 0. So you have n plus 8 is equal to 0, or n minus 5 is equal to 0. Now from here, n is equal to minus 8. This is our first value for n. And here we have n is equal to 5. This is our second value for n. You can call this n1 and n2 if you want to. Now you can see now that we have minus 8 and 5. This answer, we will not take this answer because our base cannot be a negative number. So therefore, the value for n is equal to 5. This is our answer, and I've told you the reason why we will not take this as our answer, because our base cannot be negative. So we'll take this guy as our final answer. Thank you for watching. I hope this is easy for you. So if you love what we do, please consider subscribing and share the video. God bless you. See you. Bye.